Today we're going to answer one of the deepest philosophical questions that software developers and project managers have asked themselves since the beginning of time. Should we adopt Jira or Monday? Let's use Nephrodata to answer these important questions. So, project management tools. We are going to click suggest products. And what this is going to do is it will use AI to find the best products for you, and then some categories that you can use to compare these products. So let's see what it comes up with. So we see that it came up with very decent product names. But, we are old style. We want to compare Jira. And with regards to the assessment criteria or categories, as I call it, you have all these rows here. And then at the bottom, you have a score. So the idea is very simple. Like if you give a Jira... Oh, it's missing one category that I love. User... Oh, no, it's there. User interface. So if we set Jira a user interface and ease of use of 1, then that makes Jira score to be 3. And maybe we like Monday better for this particular job. So you can see how the matrix gets updated. But there's one more feature I want to show you, which is smart form fill, which means that we're going to use AI to try to pre-fill this form. You are still in control, and you can absolutely override the scores that the AI comes up with, but I find them very useful. So here we see that it seems like Asana came up on top. And then you can customize these scores. Maybe you say, you know what? I do not agree that the technical support is that good. Let me just reduce this. And say you are going to meet the sales team from that company. Then you want to click here in vendor questionnaire. And what we're going to do for you is we will create a set of questions that you can ask their sales teams or engineer or whoever your contact is at that company. So full disclosure, I will speed this up. In real life, it takes a minute right now. But as OpenAI's API gets faster, all these will get faster. So stay tuned for that. Finally, we got our questionnaire back, and we can see that basically, it's a form where you have a bunch of questions that you can make their sales teams from each of these companies. So if we select Jira as an example, and then we look at user interface and ease of use, how intuitive is the user interface, especially for new users? Well, we can answer that one. It's not, right? So you get the idea. And then with the vendor questionnaire and the evaluation matrix, or matrix as some people call it, I'm sure that you'll be able to come up with a more analytical assessment of your vendors. You can also recall your previous forms, and you'll see that I was playing with the project management tools for a while because I was preparing for this video. And in the future, we'll add features like sharing and working, maybe collaborating on the same evaluation. Let me know in the comments if that makes sense to you. The front end and back end of this system is all written in Rust. This is the crate that Camila and I made to communicate with the OpenAI API. It's free. Go ahead, take it for a spin. We think it's pretty sweet. Let me know what you think. See ya.